Hi everyone, this is Josie from firstthecoffee.com. In this stitch tutorial we are going to go over how to do the single crochet stitch. It is one of the most common stitches that you will find in crochet patterns. As you can see, it's a very dense stitch, creates a solid pattern, and it looks the same on both sides. Okay, to start with, you want to create your slip knot. And to create your foundation chain, you'll just chain any number, and you'll want to add 1 onto the end of that. So for a total of 14 stitches in this, I'm going to do a chain of 15. Okay, once you have your initial chain, for your first stitch, you're going to want to put your hook into the second loop from your hook. So this is your first, and this is your second. So put your hook into there, yarn over, and pull through a loop. That'll give you 2 loops on your hook. You want to yarn over again and pull through both of those loops. You want to do the same thing in the next chain. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through both loops. And you'll just do this all the way across on your chain. Okay, so once you've created your first row on your initial foundation chain, to start your second row, you're going to want to chain 1. So just yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook, then turn your work. Now each stitch has these little V's if you're looking from the top. For your first stitch, you're going to want to insert your hook into that first one, so your hook will be under the first V. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and pull through both. And then to do the next single crochet stitch, you'll just go to the next V here, insert your hook so it's under the V, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and pull through both. And you'll just do this all the way across. And that will give you your second row of single crochets. If you'd like the written pattern, I will provide a link in the description below to one that has pictures along with the written pattern of how to do the single crochet.